Hi, today we are discussing top 25 biology questions for the SSC, MTS, ntpc, chsl, cgl, various other examination which are in consultation with the TCS ion digital zones. So we are going to the top 25 biology questions. So first question: bacterial and fungal enzymes degrade detritus into smaller inorganic substances. This process is called catabolism. Catabolism means the substances which break larger substances into smaller substances, that is called catabolism. Second question: which of the following characteristic of a permanent tissue? That means what does permanent tissue lacks does? That is the third option. Intercellular spaces are present. So the spaces between the cellular molecules are present. That means intercellular spaces are present. Okay. Next, third question: which of the following diseases can't be prevented by vaccination? Which of the following diseases can't be prevented by vaccination? Rabies can be prevented, typhoid, measles will be prevented, but beriberi is not prevented by vaccination, but it is prevention. The foul smell from a body, especially during the sultry summer, is due to action of dash on sweat. Sweat smell comes from what action of the body? Mainly because of the second one, bacteria. The bacteria of the sweat pores. The sweat pores are very small, but in the summer time, so heavy sweat will come, so bacterial action will act on the sweat, so foul smell will be came. Okay. Next, fifth question: which of the following is not a part of a flower? It's a spell mistake. Not a part of a flower, that is petiole. Pistil, stamen and sepal are the part of the flower, but petiole is not part of the flower. How many eyes does bees have? Bees have 5 eyes. How many times does blood passes through the heart of the fish in one cardiac cycle? It passes twice. Which of the following acids released by the gastric glands present in the stomach? That is the fourth, hydrochloric acid, which are released by the gastric glands present in the stomach. Ninth question: dash is a broad term that includes all chemical actions that occur in the body. It is option 2, metabolism, that is means breaking of the molecules. Which of the following is not an example of a viral disease? Rosella, plague, Ebola and AIDS. So plague is not a viral disease. Ozone depletion from the atmosphere becomes the reason for causing which of the following diseases? Heart stroke is not from the ozone depletion, brain stroke not, tuberculosis, but skin cancer is from the ozone depletion. Why? Because when ozone is depleted, UV rays directly falls from the sun to earth surface. So when we are traveling from the under the sun surface or under the sun rays, it directly affects by the UV rays, so we get the skin cancer. 12th question: which of the following causative agents causes the disease Kala-Azar? So what are the reasons for the causing Kala-Azar? Mainly it is a protozoan disease. Protozoan causes for the causes of the Kala-Azar. Which of the following diseases caused by the drinking of contaminated water? Contaminated water is caused by the cholera. Cholera is caused because of the contaminated water. Rickets, anemia and scurvy are the various other processes like lacking of the vitamins and minerals in the body. Hepatitis B is a life-threatening for which of the infection? Life-threatening because which of the body part is infected? So hepatitis B is liver is the affected because of the hepatitis B. Next, 15th question: dash is the science that studies structure of the body. What is the scientific study structure of the body is anatomy. Okay, option 1. 16th one, malaria disease is caused by the following protozoa. So it plasmodium protozoa, it causes the malarian disease. Which of the following developed the polio vaccine? So it was developed by Jonas Salk. Which of the following is one of the basic plant nutrients of fertilizers that commonly used in the agriculture? That is, potassium is commonly used in the agriculture for the fertilizer purposes. Next, which tissue is responsible for the flexibility of the plants? Which tissue is the responsible for the flexibility of plant is collenchyma. The nucleus of a cell is surrounded by jelly-like substance is called 3. Cytoplasm. Who among the following is considered as a father of modern atomic energy? Who was considered as a father of modern atomic energy? It was called by John Dalton. Third option. Which part of the flower is sticky surface at the top of the pistil? It traps and holds the pollen. It is stigma. A mango is an example of autotroph. That means a mango which itself prepares their food. Plants release water into the air by which process plants release the water into air? By the process of transpiration. Which part of the plants allow the uptake of carbon dioxide and limits the loss of water due to evaporation? That is stomata. So please stop the video when question arises, when questions comes, and answer it. After that, write the question and the answer, so it will be helpful for the examination. So if you like the video, or if you don't like the video, please comment the video what are the defaults or defects in the while making the video. If you like the video, make the like. Please try to subscribe and send the video and like the video, so it helpful the YouTube algorithm and it reaches to the other peoples, so it will be helpful for the growth of this YouTube, and other purposes. Thank you so much.